Hi guys, I am Ekta Hinduja and a big warm welcome to my channel. Today's video is about unboxing of class monitor sheets. The age category is from 3.5 to 4.5. For those of you who already have a box, know what I am talking about or what the entire video is going to be. So watch it till the end because this kit has a lot more to offer than the previous one because the age category is different. There are a lot more practical activities and there is more learning to it. Also keeping the pandemic in mind, there's not much that we are doing with our kids in terms of sending them out to play, or we are scared of keeping them home, and how do you keep them engaged. So class monitor always comes handy when you want to make them learn and have fun at the same time. I know the schools are doing a fabulous job with our little ones, but agreeing to the fact that we cannot make them watch screens for over a certain amount of duration. So these worksheets are great. The guideline book says that try to give 15 to 20 minutes at least with the worksheet. So what I usually like to do is after I've put Ayan to bed, I take out the worksheets which I know he will do it the next day, or I go through the app and it tells me what I can do with him the next day, like what activities they have planned for the child to do it. So I take out the worksheets accordingly, and I like to sit him post lunch. That is after around 2ish to 3:30 is what we like to do these activities, or it's a cuddle time, and then they are playing, they are doing whatever they like to do. So I'm taking you with me on this box. Also, I'm available on Instagram, which is the handle Hinduja Ekta. The community is growing and it makes my heart melt, and it makes me so happy when moms come to me and they say, you know, we've bought the class monitor box because you recommended and our child is totally loving it. And or there is some toy video they have seen, or if they've seen any of my vlog or anything that I post, and when I get appreciation, or even if I've just made a difference in one life, it means the world to me. So thank you so much for being my subscriber, for following me on Instagram. Do keep loving, do keep supporting, and it just keeps me going. So yes, let's go and see what the box is about. Starting with, this is the class monitor box. It's a huge box that comes into your mail, and this is the age 3.5 to 4.5. The apps are on Google Play and App Store as well. Right now it's empty because I've taken out all the contents, and this is how you scan the barcode and you get your subscription started. Then you have this class monitor learning kit guiding manual. If this is your first box, I recommend you go through the manual first, because it gives you the entire guidance of how you can use the worksheets and how the child can be engaged. So giving a gist of it is the download the app. Android phone or iPhone user can find it from their respective stores, and if you want once the application this, you can go ahead, please do that. So they have a lot of literacy skills, numeracy skills, flowers, vegetables, community helpers, so on and so forth. So it says schedule at least 15 to 20 minutes of your quality time every day for doing an activity with your child, which is a good thing because the span of attention is not very high at this age. Then these are the color coded. So this is orange, which says literacy skills. So when you go to the literacy skills section out here, it is orange in color, orange color coded, and these were the barcodes I was talking about. So then when you go to purple, it says numeracy skills. So when you come to purple, this is the numeracy skills. So they have categorized according to the colors, and it makes you understand the papers and understand everything. So I highly recommend that you read the entire guiding manual so that you know what you're getting into. So I first start with these flashcards. They are the season flashcards. January, then we have February. If you can see, there is snow on Jan and Feb. In March there is sun, and in April there is sun. So these are the flashcards. At this age they are able to learn the alphabet, so you can tell them to read the alphabets, which is a very good thing. Then we have these smaller flashcards, which I have the previous ones also, so we can use these to make them form a word like their name, father's name, mother's name, and so on and so forth. Then these are the flashcards of insects, little flowers. Then you have the community helpers, which is smaller in size. If you had the previous box, you would know that they were of a bigger size. So they are not same ones, only few pictures are similar ones, but the others are different, and these are smaller ones which you can carry it while you're traveling as well. Then they've given you the stationery required for cutting, or these pom-poms, the feathers. There's a shoelace and glue, ice cream sticks. We've used these ice cream sticks so much for his school activity. I can't tell you because I couldn't find it anywhere. Then we have these flashcards, which are alphabet flashcards. But the difference is A says A as in alligator. In the previous flashcard, the previous kit only had the bigger and the small alphabet with a picture. But this was not there because they are not aware of, sounding it right. So this is really good. And these flashcards are also helpful for them to, you can also ask them to make different words of A, B, C. Then we have this the Grand Old Duke of York artwork. You have to just scan the code if you've not understood the paper, and they will tell you what to do. Then we have these mats, which always come and have been a great help. So this is Alphabet Sound Game Mat. Now again the app, go ahead, find out what this is and do the activity with your child. So this is like a mat like this. It says glue here, glue here, glue here, glue here. So you just have to glue it up and make form one chart. So this is first one. Then we have community helper and their headgears. They have surely given the cutout, and the child has to stick here, which is a fun activity. Especially with boys, they are too much into firefighters, they are into policemen, they are into construction, so that is good. Then we have shapes for the child to, their colors. You can ask colors, spellings, what shape it is, and you can also ask them to find something that is of a certain shape here. So you can use these for multiple purposes, not only for this. Then they have given cutouts for these transportation when the child has to stick respectively wherever that is. Then another sheet is the human body. So we have a female and a male. They are just explaining you about shin, ankle, thigh. It's not only the boy, it's the girl is also there. So it's both for boys and girls. Then we have number chart, which you can stick it in their room and you can tell them to do different activities with these as well. Like they can find 9 pom-poms, 1 Lego, or 13 small marbles, because now they can play with these more than what they would do before. Coming next to the worksheets are these literacy skills. The previous skills had all the alphabets around here, and they just had to circle where the alphabet A is. Likewise, it's here as well, but here they have to learn how to take the pencil and write. Take the pencil and a paper and write. So these are all the worksheets. In the literacy skills, they have more sheets, like they have these things as well. Uppercase, letterships, printable. So they are making it fun for the child to understand. The previous one had ice creams, cakes, the cutouts were there and they had to do it. Then we come to numeracy skills, which is again number based. So you can see count the strawberries, number counters, bare number cards, very nice. Then we have growing flowers, we have plants and flowers, we have community helpers, then we have transportation, animal kingdom, this is the animal kingdom. Then we have fruits and vegetables, then we have rhymes, we have my color book, which has all the colors, like they have to cut and glue the picture. Then we have the stories, water based, season, human body, and that's about it. So these are the things that were there in 3.5 to 4.5 kit. So I'll just so like I said out here, it is community helpers and they're printable, like what we saw right now. They have to just do a cutout on a paper and they can do it. It says join the helpers with the places you will find them. So this is a fun activity, community helpers and the printable costumes, which is great. So the good part is that it is a 1 year 1 year box, and they don't have to do it everything at once. So they have like every day 15 to 20 minutes on 2 worksheets is like a great thing. They are learning, having fun, and yet you're using these boxes. So as you guys saw, the box has a lot to offer for the age category. Go ahead if you've been looking for something like this. Then you can make them do activity, you can play with them, and the craft material has already been given. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if you haven't seen any of my previous videos, and if you just feel like scrolling and watching a vlog or a product review or anything that you like, go ahead and do that. It'll make me happy. Bye guys.